everyone, this video is SOP regarding reopening of DAV Public School Manali. As per the MHA guidelines, DAV Public School Manali is going to reopen for its senior students in a graded manner in which half of the strength of a particular class is come to school in alternative days. As you know that coronavirus is still there, and the most important question is how to be protected from corona, as it just simply spreads when an infected person coughs over you or when you shake hand with such person. So we have to follow some precautions like wash your hands properly whenever you come from somewhere, whenever you meet people, before eating and after eating, and when you blow your nose. For reopening of the school, we must follow some rules, as first of all, the parents are to ensure the school about their ward's safe transport means, whether they will use the school transport or the private transport with all safety measures for the travelling. The school shall ensure the sanitization of all areas such as all classrooms, furniture, water tanks, canteen, washrooms, laboratories, libraries, etc. All the students must bring their own sanitizer from home so that they can use it whenever they need it. The school is to form certain committees or task teams such as emergency care, support, response teams, health and hygiene teams, etc. to look after the needful duties for the school and its students. The school shall take all the precautionary measures of physical distancing and social distancing and beforehand sitting plan for the graded strength of students. To avoid any chance of infection or spread, the parents must ensure that their ward doesn't have any symptom of cold or flu, and in case of any symptom, the child is to be kept at home only. All the students must carry their lunch and water from home only, and they will not be allowed to share their lunch with any other student. All the students and staff members must come to school wearing a face mask or cover and continue wearing it throughout the day. And now the most important thing, that students must bring parents' approval in written form. Let's read the rules for school children once again, which are: wash your hands thoroughly, avoid shaking hands, cough and sneeze into a tissue or the crook of your arm, stay at home if you experience symptoms, do not share food and drink, and most of all, be safe. So, welcome to school. Let's fight against COVID-19 and we will win. Thank you.